In 25, owning a premium vehicle gives distinction, cutting-edge performance, and advanced technology. But in addition to the purchase price, there are a number of unstated expenses that might have a big effect on your spending plan. Making an informed choice regarding owning a luxury car requires an understanding of these costs. Here are the 7 hidden costs of owning a luxury car in 2025. Number 7, high maintenance and repair costs. The complexity and cost of frequent, highly specialized maintenance required to own a luxury car are significantly greater than those of conventional cars. Luxury automakers use sophisticated engineering to create their cars, integrating state-of-the-art features like high-output engines, active suspension systems, complex electronics, and custom interiors. The use of factory-certified technicians is required for this attention to detail, and they must receive regular training to stay up to date with changing repair procedures and technology. Exotic materials like carbon fiber or aluminum panels can result in particularly costly repair costs for incidents like bodywork. All of these elements work together to provide recurring maintenance and repair costs that can reach thousands of dollars per year, frequently surprising owners who anticipate maintenance expenditures comparable to those of regular cars. Number 6, depreciation. One of the most significant hidden expenses for owners of luxury cars is depreciation, which is frequently disregarded in the thrill of ownership. Due to their price and status, luxury cars have among the highest initial depreciation rates in the automotive industry. Typically, a brand new luxury car loses between 30 and 50% of its value in the first 3 years. This is mostly because of how quickly features, style, and technology change, making these cars seem antiquated. Due to high original purchase prices, this depreciation results in big absolute dollar losses rather than merely percentage ones, which can drastically lower an owner's equity in the car. Owners may have financial gaps in the event of theft or complete loss because insurance firms base payouts on current market values rather than what the owner paid. Factors such as high mileage, minor cosmetic flaws, or outdated features accelerate the pace of depreciation, which luxury car buyers must account for as a continuing expense of ownership. Number 5, fuel costs. Another significant unstated cost associated with having a premium vehicle is fuel usage. The majority of luxury cars put an emphasis on performance, power, and smooth driving qualities, all of which call for larger, more displacement engines or complex multi-cylinder configurations. High-performance tuning of these engines frequently results in improved driving dynamics and quick acceleration, but at the expense of fuel economy. Additionally, luxury engines are usually built to run on high-end, high-octane gasoline in order to maximize combustion efficiency and avoid engine knocking. When compared to less powerful vehicles, the cumulative effect of fueling costs over an ordinary year can amount to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Furthermore, some luxury automakers include technology like hybrid systems, turbocharging, or supercharging, which might somewhat reduce fuel expenses, but are usually still more expensive to operate than cars with economy-focused equipment. Number 4, insurance premiums. Insurance premiums are among the biggest recurring costs that owners of luxury cars must deal with because of the high value and distinctiveness of these vehicles. Because luxury cars are viewed by insurers as having a higher risk in a number of areas, premiums are significantly higher. First, the cost of filing a claim is increased by the replacement parts and skilled work needed to fix or replace damaged components. Restoring a luxury car to factory condition after a serious collision or fender bender usually costs twice as much as restoring a regular car. All of these factors add up to a recurring, frequently significant hidden expense, since owners may be paying 2 to 3 times as much for insurance each year compared to mid-range vehicles. Number 3, tires and accessories. Luxury cars typically have tires that are specially made for high performance, improved grip, and a smoother ride rather than being standard. These tires, which are usually larger in diameter and have lower profile sidewalls, feature sophisticated tread patterns and rubber compounds that wear differently from regular tires and frequently need to be replaced more frequently. Performance tire installation may also necessitate more frequent alignment and balancing treatments, which would increase labor expenses. Specialized cleaning supplies and detailing services are frequently needed to maintain and preserve these elements. And they can be expensive because replacements may be custom or bespoke parts rather than off-the-shelf ones. Custom accessories can also increase repair costs if they are damaged. Number 2, taxes and registration fees. There is more to buying a luxury car than just the sticker price. Customers must pay high taxes and other levies, which greatly increase the initial and continuing expenses. Because luxury cars are more expensive to buy than other cars, sales tax, which is a percentage of the purchase price, can total thousands of dollars. Additional luxury or gas guzzler taxes are levied in some areas to deter people from buying pricey or high-emission vehicles. Although they vary greatly, these regulatory fees go into the total cost of ownership. Last but not least, big or large engine vehicles may also be subject to extra registration fees, underscoring the fact that government-imposed costs for luxury cars represent a continuous financial commitment. Number 1, extended warranties and service plans. Many owners of luxury cars purchase extended warranties or prepaid maintenance plans to protect themselves from the unforeseen and frequently costly repairs that fall outside the scope of the new car guarantee. After the manufacturer's guarantee expires, extended warranties cover mechanical faults. However, they come with a premium price tag, frequently costing several $1,000s up front. Owners must carefully consider the cost-benefit balance and commit to staying with authorized service providers. While these plans reduce the risk of surprise expenses, they add to the total cost of ownership, particularly in the early years. Understanding these hidden costs is crucial for prospective luxury car owners to manage their budgets effectively and avoid unexpected financial burdens beyond the initial purchase price. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.